Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Wow, my people. Dancehall skilla the year again with more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. Manners and respect, you see. Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you that I will recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video will be recorded. The video that I am about to present to you shows some things that happened during a confrontation between civilians and the police officers from within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, based on information that I got about the video, and according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that at least one person had been arrested or detained by the police from within the country of Jamaica. The video also shows the person who had been arrested or detained by the police, viewers and subscribers. And I also got the understanding that police had been accused of using certain amount of force during the confrontation. I got the understanding that police had been accused of using pepper spray, and I also got the understanding that police had been accused of assaulting at least one person. In the video, you can hear persons yelling and shouting at the police. I also got information that might not be accurate, that objects was thrown while police officers was at the location or was leaving the location. If you look at the video carefully that I am about to present to you, you can see Kingston Central marked on those police service vehicles that you can see in the video that I am about to present to you. Based on information that I got, it is said that police went to a certain location within the country of Jamaica and at least one person had been arrested by the police. Now, one of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because the video is being talked about on social media. And based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think. Now, before I present this video to you, I want you to please bear in mind that this video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. This video shows a certain amount of civilians and police officers from within the country of Jamaica. You can also hear persons yelling and shouting in the video. You can also hear a certain amount of harsh language in this video that I'm about to present to you. So before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
I don't just alone them deal with that when them come down here. Them not give nobody else and no justice. I be dealing with the woman, sir. You know, God. What's a one here? Video them, I've been on the phone there. Video them, everybody just put them phone. It is strong. Me know my right.
Nobody in the car.
Watch it, you see it?
Nobody in the car.
Well, viewers and subscribers, I did not get any confirmed information as to what exactly started the confrontation between civilians and police officers from within the country of Jamaica. See? But hopefully, by looking and listening to the video that I just presented to you, you might get a good understanding about the whole situation. So that I'm saying to you, and you can also let me know what I think, viewers and subscribers. Now, I didn't get any confirmed information that anyone died as a result of the confrontation. No, and I did not get any confirmed information that anyone had been badly injured because of the confrontation. No, I did not. So may I say, I'm not saying that it didn't happen, but I did not. Yeah, and I know that when it comes down to a situation like this, you have some persons who might say the police are just doing their job, and you have some persons who might say the civilians are defending their rights. You see? Now, because I don't have a lot of confirmed information about the whole situation, I gave you basic information that I got about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers, and you can also let me know what you think. One of the reasons why I presented the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, but they're here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright, now with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I am going to present a video to you that I be recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video be recorded. The video that I'm about to present to you shows some things that happened when the trunk of a motor vehicle had been searched by police from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago, and the trunk of the motor vehicle had been searched in the presence of the driver of the motor vehicle and at least one other person. I don't have any confirmed information if the entire motor vehicle had been searched by the police, viewers and subscribers, because I don't know what happened before and after the video had been recorded. That's what I'm saying to you. Someone brought the video to my attention, and the video has been talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you. Alright, based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, you can also let me know what you think, and please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe and tell me what you think.
It's right through here to go through this. It's right through. It's right through here to go through this.
I don't have to come and look because it's not to there. I don't have nothing to look for.
All them thing in there is my own. Everything in there is my own. Everything in there is my own. It's right through all of this be doing this, and I'm fed up. I'm fed up and I'm going police complaint, and it's not the first time. It's not the first time all they do him that. Right through all of this be doing him that.
But all your my driver's license, they want information. I do have. Well, he has it, sir. Yeah. I do have to get more information again. He has it and I have the lawyers. If all they want to have this conversation, we can have this conversation in the station and all.
Officer, by chance, may I ask what is the reason for the search or whatever it is? May I ask? All the received that
is going on right
information?
now with one of all the officers by Peltier, but I hate case going on with him. And I write the exam, man. I hate case going on with the officer right now, but I'll get torture.
Relax yourself. You just going up in a search. And everything.
So all the receive that he have stuff? All the receive that he have stuff? It's not the first time.
Yeah, so if someone have a problem with the way how the police treat them while they have been stopped by the police or so forth, and they decide to make a complaint to the necessary authorities, then I don't see anything wrong with that. Yeah, well, when it comes down to those kind of situations, still, I always say it's best to comply and then complain. You know, because we live in a system where there are rules and laws. Yes, what I say, and believe you me, in a sense, to try go against those rules and laws of the country that you're from. Don't make any sense. I tell you. So me I say, as much as you have a lot of people who might not like what I'm saying, when it comes on to me saying complying with the rules and the laws of a country, but take it as me tell you, that's a good advice, I'm telling you. So me I say my people, yeah man, and don't get me wrong, you know, I know say you have good and you have bad police and you have good and you have bad civilians. So me I say, but overall, without rules and laws of a country, the whole thing would be chaos. Believe it or not. I'm telling you. So let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you. Yes, so me I left it number people. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up yourself, you see it?
Hey my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla.